Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we are going to look at ticker symbol CMT. I used to own this one. It has been on a major roll, and I just kind of want to see where it's going from here and maybe if it's a buy. I don't know. I'm on finviz.com, the world's greatest website. If you have never been to my channel before, welcome. Take a look around. I do see ticker symbol TTOO is at 52% down. Usually on Finviz, you'll see companies go down like huge. A lot of them are typically biotechs or Chinese stocks that pumped and dumped. Um, yeah. So let's just go here. CMT, Core Molding Technologies. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at this beautiful chart. Look at this beautiful chart. It has gone 100% plus in a year. 200%. Nope, year to date is 109% for the year 200%. That is incredible. As you know, I like to look at the bigger picture. Wow, all-time highs. Ooh, nope. It hit its head. My head's in the way. Let me move my head right there. If we look back over here, you can see it hit resistance and it's coming back down. So, what do we have here? We have a left shoulder, head, and a right shoulder, and then the takeoff. Let's look at some support and resistance really quick. If we were to go there, there's support. Here is resistance. I just want a horizontal line right there. That is resistance. So we could see a little bit of ping ponging right here. This could come back down to the teens, high likelihood. Um, Very good chance, and I think that would be healthy. Let's see. Okay. I think that would be healthy, and we do have a double bottom here at $1.68. Oh my gosh. This thing went 2000, no, two, yeah, 20,000%. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay. So it is definitely it's oversold up here. Or I'm sorry, it's overbought. People are overbuying it. I think it can come back down here and test that support. There's also support right there. So I think it's going to come down to $23.20. We'll see. Um, okay. Let's let's take a look here. Recommended one, which is amazing. Beautiful progress here. Stair step. We have a little boom and then a stair step up. Last 3 years, beautiful stair stepping. Um, PE, this is cheap. The company is actually cheap. Forward PE says the company is a little bit a little bit more priced right, but still cheap in the future. They have some cash. They do have some debt. Gross margins are 16%, which is not the best. I mean, it's still growth. They are profitable, which is great. Very low float company, very low volume on Friday. Let's just look at my calculation here. And so basically it's sales plus income. We'll look at the cash, we'll look at the debt, and then we will divide it by the shares available to see what the fair share price could be. Institutions have a target price of $15. I'm sorry, analysts. Analysts have a target price of $15. Let's see what we get. 385.28 plus 19,760,000. Let's add the cash. Ooh, insiders are selling. Not good. I don't like that. Total cash is 4,180,000. It's 4.18 minus total debt, which is 26 million. Not bad. 26 million oh 02 or oh 06, 2606. And we're going to divide this by 7. Whoops, dang it. It was 383.16. 383.16 divided by 7,000,038. So it's saying this is a $51 stock. Doing my calculations. I mean, could it get to 50? I mean, if it explodes through here, definitely. I think it needs to cool off. It literally went, Jesus. In 2 years, it went 20,000%. So I think it needs to cool off. I would feel a little hesitant buying then. Another potential support we could see is from here to there. Okay. Okay. So again, support could be coming around the 23 area. We'll want to watch that closely. And I say that because the company's only getting better. They're guiding 61% this year, but next year they're guiding downward. So keep that in mind. You would have to go back and read some of the earnings reports to see why they're guiding downward. So that is my only reservation there. Let's look at their quarterly income. Ooh, they're scratching at 100 million per quarter. That's amazing. They are scritchety scratching. Over last year, they did perform less in Q2 of 2023 compared to Q2 2022. However, Q1 2023 killed Q1 2022. Q3 is usually really strong, it looks like. So we want to see over $101 million for this next quarter. I don't like the insider selling here. It's not too much of the overall shares. The CEO has been selling as well. Wow, the CEO sold right at the top. Wow. Sold right at the top. There's only 15,000 shares, but he's been selling at the top. The CEO got 34,000 shares as stock options. He owns 463,000. David Duval, he sold 133. I'm just trying to see if he gets up to 334,000. 34,000. So 6,000 plus his 133. So he sold about 6,100, around 20,000, 35,000. So the CEO has basically sold the options that he was granted at a cost of 25.59. So he sold those for barely a gain. But the CEO, he also bought, I mean, he didn't buy too much. So yeah, I mean, you do your own risk trend that you see. Um, they're profitable. Um, I mean, there's no reason why this company couldn't continue onward, honestly, upward. Money flow is hot. Money's going into the company like crazy. The relative momentum is high as well. I just think it needs to come down and take a breather. I think we have one huge cup right here if we're looking in bigger picture. One huge cup, come down for the handle and then watch the reversal. So I'm actually going to set an alert for 2389 here. Create alert. Awesome. Perfect. All right. Okay, so that was my analysis of CMT. I think I think it needs to come down a little bit. I think it's really hot. I think you could benefit from waiting just a little bit. Let it catch its breath. But I think it's one to definitely keep an eye on for sure. Um, but yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, please consider hitting the like button. Consider the subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Hope you're doing well. Take care.